Welcome back. We are going to talk about how to monitor the data and how to use it for students who might have 504 accommodations and IEPs. Then we'll talk about praising your students' successes to help continue to increase that integration part into your setting where you're working with students. So if you're a gen ed teacher, special education teacher, practitioner, or any type of intervention specialist, you may want to know if this is the right tool for your student. As you support your students in their reading and writing accommodations, you might be developing service recommendations, or maybe you're just now starting to or adding to the development of your students' accommodations, or in some cases, modifications, or maybe you're needing to monitor the student's progress and just trying to understand what is and what is not working for your student. You may be needing to report the students' achievements and their progress towards their goals to parents or an IEP team, or you might just want to know if the student is even using the tool. But you need to do so with data. So embedded in Snap and Read is the ability to see behind the scenes and to see what the student is doing. Maybe this will help you explain academic expectations of maybe particular content areas of the curriculum, possibly. Maybe aid in establishing goals aligned with content standards, and of course, discuss the student's participation and progress within the classroom or whatever the student's learning environment may be. Then, of course, you'll want to show and share this info to parents or the IEP team to give insight as to how the student is doing. This will ultimately help you navigate the data and help maybe guide your documentation when adding to the student's plan or IEP. Then maybe if you're trialing these tools, this might be that you're now adding to the plan or the IEP. So what you're looking at now is my dashboard. We call it the educator dashboard. This is where you can kind of manage your students, see all of your students, and then kind of see those reports or see what's happening behind the scenes. So as I just click on a button for view reports, you're going to be able to see your students as a whole within the classroom, individually, and kind of go from there to see what is going on and be able to run reports to send in to mom and dad or send in to the IEP team. So as you continue to build usage of this tool, you'll want to find ways to get more students using the tool. As maybe now you're able to look at the data, you can do things now such as recognizing students for their usage. You can do this by maybe giving a simple prize or award just to acknowledge and reinforce their efforts. Maybe giving stickers or some sort of an award to the student who first uses the tool and creates a 5-paragraph essay using the outline in the tool, or even an essay from that outline. Give celebration cards, as seen here on my screen, to the students who are reading at least 20 minutes a day using the tool. Or the class gets a special snack when they all hit 100,000 words. Many ways you can use that data. These cards that you're seeing here are in our product resources under our website. Another way to get students acknowledging and maybe building engagement, you might ask your students, hey, who has a tip they found when using the tool that they want to share that can help the rest of the class? Then, of course, celebrate any successes, especially if they're now reading a grade level or even higher with the use of their text reader. Hopefully this is helpful, but feel free to go through these videos again anytime, share them with others. There's so many ways to make learning fun and engaging and exciting for your students with the use of technology. So enjoy watching your students soar to new heights in their learning while they use Snap and Read.